crochet diamond ring today. First magic ring. Hook for SC, single crochet. After 4 SC hooks, tighten the coil. Finding the first pin. Hook a ship stitch. Now hook a second loop. That's for ink. Hook 2 SC inside each straight S. Ship stitch with the first stitch. CH1 stitch. Now for the third loop, hook a SC first. Hook an ink. A SC. An ink. 1 SC, 1 ink as a group. 4 sets of hooks. And then ship stitch with the first stitch. The third loop is finished. Let's start the fourth loop. The fourth loop is crocheted in below. Start by crocheting 2 SC. Hook an ink. 2 SC, 1 SC as a group. 4 sets of hooks. After 4 sets of hooks, ship stitch with first stitch. Start the 5th loop. Hook 3 SC. Hook an ink. Three SC and 1 ink as a group. 4 sets of hooks. The rest of the sets can be done by yourself. We're done with the 5th loop here. Now for the 6th loop. Also crocheting in below. Crochet 3SC first. Hook in a deck, decrease. See a deck as a group. The rest of the groups can be done by yourselves. After the 6th loop, make a ship stitch with the 1st stitch. Then start the 7th stitch. 2 SC and 1 deck in a group, 4 hooks in total. The method is similar to the previous loops. You can do it yourself. After the 7th loop, the ship stitch is made with the 1st stitch, then the 8th stitch. 1 SC and 1 deck as a group, 4 sets of hooks. After the 8th loop, make a ship stitch with the 1st stitch. Pull out a little loop, and then stuff it with filler foam. After stuffing the padding, let's go back to the 9th loop. That's for decks. After 4 decks, ship stitch with 1st stitch, tightening the loop, cutting the wire, threading the suture needle, a few stitches to hide the thread. Then cut the excess thread. Now the diamonds are hooked. Now the ring. Crochet with CH stitches. Length of the ring. You can compare your finger size to determine the length. About 18 ch. Adjust the length according to your finger size. Then hook the ship stitch on the penultimate stitch. When the ship stitch is finished, cutting the excess threads. The diamond is then sewn to the ring. Finally, the thread is hidden. Cutting the thread. And so a diamond ring is complete.